Hey everyone, Nathaniel Fallon here, and today I'm telling you about a new channel that I've just launched with one of my buddies. It's called Airsoft Gunners, and basically it's like this channel where my buddy and I are gonna be uploading videos with airsoft guns, and here's one of the targets we have today. This was part of one of the this target was part of one the two videos we shot and uploaded today. I don't know why I didn't just like switch it right there. ADHD, am I right? But so I'm distracted. So basically yeah. So I think it's pretty cool. We have an entire training course set up and everything. Here's another one of our targets. As you can, and yes, they are all boxes. We had this entire training course I set up for today's two videos. I am so weird. But still, I go and subscribe to that channel. I don't, of course, I'm asking you to subscribe to that channel because I'm only part of that channel. So, yeah. Peace.